Hello people, today I'm going to open up these goggles. These are EV300O. I made another video about the problem that these goggles have. I tried to contact with Eachine. They didn't really, with the video that I provided to them, they couldn't help me any in the matter. And now I'm going to open these goggles and see, well, if it's a power problem or something like that. So they are still like turning on, and let's see if I can turn it on with the USB-C, because, well, oh yeah, it's going on with the USB-C. Anyway, let's see if I open them up and find something that, well, fix the problem. This sucks. Yeah. I don't know really what I'm doing right now. I never opened like these kind of goggles before, and I never fix things at this level before. But hey, I got nothing to lose right now at this point, so yeah. So I'm gonna take this out. I want to treat this like opening up a laptop, so any screw that I can see and things like that. Now these are 3 screws that I've seen before, and I hope they are all of them. This okay. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this was on the motherboard, and I just pulled that off. Looks like it's a plug, so I didn't wreck it out. Now I did pull up from these ones. Doesn't seem I did any harm. This is going to come out. Okay, so what happened with this thing, it like smoke came out and I should see something burned at some point. Thinking I don't see nothing burned, at least. Now it had some kind of problem with the power, so I will start looking. Yeah. Okay, so I see something burned. That's progress. Now, I don't see nothing burned around here, not at the first view at least. The thing that I see burned here is this component here, which at this point I don't know what it is. I'm trying to, it is probably a voltage regulator or something like that. So yeah, I have to take this out and see if that is what's the problem. Now, if it's that the problem and it's like a MOSFET or some kind of voltage regulator, I'm sure I can replace that. And yeah, I'm gonna leave this how it is, or not. I want to take a peek to this board and see if it's okay. I don't know how this gets out of here without wrecking something out in the process. So I don't see any problem, or any visible problem on this board. So yeah. I'm going to leave this how it is. Okay, so I'm going to leave this how it is and see if I can like Okay, so look like this is only held by this screw here. I'm gonna take this out. Now remember, the backlight of this one, it works, but it doesn't show any kind of image. It works, but like it's very dim, and it's the same brightness the other one, but this one shows like some kind of image, not all the colors. So I suppose this component here, I don't know what component it is, like this chip here, it's the problem, or it's at least one of the problems. Yeah, I don't know. I'll try and see this, what kind of chip is, and see. Okay, so I managed to take a look to to this chip, and on this chip says like this is like the chip how I see it, and has this engraving on it. I don't think it has other kind of engravement because, well, it's swallowed on this part. It's swallowed like this. This is like swallowed. Now I don't know if it has something around here, but I believe it doesn't. I tried to look for this chip and I didn't really I didn't find it. I mean, Google doesn't know anything about it. And at this point, I hope that the guys of Eachine can point me in the right direction. Okay, so until now I managed to put this back together, and I started without the module, without the rapid mix module. Something happened, so okay, so now it starts, and by the I don't know if you see that, and both screens are like working. I don't know if I can show this into the camera. Anyway, like both screens are working. So right now, like both screens are working, but they don't have like the colors that they should. Now they are working without the rapid fire module, which, well, and if I try like to play back, it goes like that. And right now it shows something, but sometimes it just shuts off the right screen. Yeah, I really don't. Now I put on the module. I turn off the goggles and put on the module, and when I start the goggle again, this it works, and this, well, it's not. So it's some kind of problem. I don't know what it is. It's some kind of problem. Yeah, well, I will upload this on YouTube again and hope the guys on Eachine can point me in the right direction to fix these goggles. No, I do really like these goggles. Okay, so I connect the goggle to a drone with and apparently it's working. I mean, it's working. The motherboard is working on one screen, which is this screen. The other one is just white, doesn't have any kind of reaction, just starts up. Let's see. This damn thing will focus. Okay, so if I right now it does something, but this is like finding now is looking for the camera. And it find it and locked on it. Now the thing that I see now, I see some kind of reaction. I saw some kind of reaction, but well, the image is like in white. Anyway, well, okay, so I see the OSD of the drone, and if I put it like, I don't know, turning, it sends something, but yeah, this is the problem. I don't know where to start to fix it, or nothing like that. In the other screen I see nothing. I don't see the OSD, I don't see nothing when I have the module on. If I take out the module, well, I will see in both screens, but I cannot play back anything that I have on on the SD card. So yeah, I hope that this I hope this to be the problem, and I hope I'll find that at some point and change it to see if it works.